Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to make a stretchy effect. Let's get started. Alright guys, it was my dog. That's annoying, I know. Okay, I have a character and a floor. Okay, let's go to, I have a penguin. My green flag clicked. Go to full layer. Oh, and the name stretchy. Sorry guys, get my dog. Okay, stretchy effect tutorial. Set project. Switch costume to a small. You need. Oh, I have this custom, but doesn't matter. A small is nothing. You need this. And in the penguin, you'll see that this have an invisible square. Okay. Set size 100. Switch custom to my penguin. Set fishy effect to 0. Go to XY. 0 and 100. Make a variable called camera speed x for all sprites. Set camera speed x to 0 and set a variable called speed y for this sprite only and set it to 0 and forever change x by 4. Change speed y by -1. Change y by speed y. Okay. If y position is lesser than 0, here the y position, set y to 0, and we're going to make a new block called a squish and an input force. And don't take the wrong way, else going to refresh option. Okay, now the squish. Put a multiply SPY multiplied by, by -2. Save the project, and now let's define this block. We'll do this. And repeat 14 times. And change the fisheye effect by SPY multiplied by -4. Okay. Change the speed y by, let's put a divide. Force divided by 14. And here put a set fisheye effect to 0 and save project. When green field clicked, forever set camera speed X 2 times, a plus, X position plus 100 times negative 0.1, say the project, and change X by camera speed X. Now go to the floor, and when green flag clicked, set camera speed X to -4, go to X and Y, 0, 0, forever, change X by camera speed X, and if put lesser than, if X position is lesser than negative 240, change X by 480. Now let's see if it works. Set project and oh my god, we have a stretchy effect. It's like scrolling and let's see, good. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and please subscribe, so bye bye.